How to sign up for Netflix. Signing up for Netflix is a straightforward process that allows you to access a vast library of movies, TV shows, and original content. You can create an account using a computer, smartphone, or smart TV. Below are the steps to sign up for Netflix and start streaming. Visit the Netflix website or app. Open a web browser and go to the official Netflix website. Alternatively, download the Netflix app on your smartphone, tablet, or smart TV. Click on Get Started or Join Now to begin the sign-up process. Choose a subscription plan. Netflix offers different plans with varying features. Standard with ads, a budget-friendly plan with limited ads. Standard, ad-free streaming with full HD quality. Premium, Ultra HD 4K streaming with support for multiple devices. Select the plan that suits your needs and click Next. Create an account. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Click Next to continue the registration process. Enter payment information. Choose a payment method such as credit or debit card, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, PayPal in supported regions, mobile carrier billing if available, gift card if you have a Netflix gift card. Enter your payment details and confirm. Set up your profile. Once the payment is successful, create a profile. Add multiple profiles for different users in the same household. Set up parental controls if needed. Start streaming. After completing the setup, click Start Watching. Browse through Netflix's catalog and enjoy your favorite shows and movies. Managing your subscription. You can upgrade, downgrade, or cancel your subscription anytime. To make changes, go to Account Settings on the Netflix website or app. In conclusion, signing up for Netflix is quick and easy. By selecting the right plan, entering payment details, and setting up a profile, you can start streaming instantly. Netflix offers flexible options, allowing you to manage your subscription based on your preferences.